Hi, I'm Danella Hellenkamp, Doctor of Audiology at Triangle Hearing Services in Cary, North Carolina. I want to show you today how to change a wax guard on a Phonak hearing aid that has a custom mold with it. You're going to see the little white tip at the end. That's what we're going to be changing today. So what we're going to do is you're going to pick up this little container of wax guards. It's called Ceru Stop. Just open it up, pull out the little packet that's in here, open it up, and you'll have a row of little black sticks in there. You'll pull out one of the sticks. One end has nothing on it. One end has a new little wax guard on it. What you're going to do is take the end with nothing on it and stick it right into the end. Give it a little twist and pull it out. You're going to flip the little stick around to the other end, go right where the little gray circle is, stick it straight in and pull it out. That removes any wax that's gotten held up into this little wax piece at the end. So that's how you change your wax guard in a Phonak hearing aid with a custom ear mold. Thank you.